Do you need a free gift card? Yes, today I'm gonna show you how you can receive a free gift card, and it's really easy and simple, and you can have it in your phone. If you want to know how you can receive the free gift card, just continue watching my video. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Wolf channel, and I'm here to show you how you can make money online at your home without investing money, and just by simple things and simple tasks you can earn money online at your home, and you can do it as a part-time job. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make free gift cards. It's really easy and simple, and it doesn't need any professional things. Before starting, just subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell to notify about my new videos. And if you like the video, like it and leave a comment if you had any question, and I try to answer you as it possible. Application that I want to introduce to you names ClipClaps, and you can easily download it from Play Store. As you can see here, it has more than 10 million downloads, and it has 4.2 star. That shows that it's a good application and is useful. And as you can see, it has good reviews. Here I can show you that most of the people give 5 stars to that. They are really happy with this application, and they received their gift cards they had cashed out. After download and install it, click on open button, and here you can continue with your Google account or your Facebook account as you prefer. I choose Google account. After that, you should choose one of your Gmail, and after that you will see this page. You can click on reward button, and on this page at the free chest you can have cash or coins as a reward of install this payment. And at day 1 you can have 500 coins, and after that you can use the spin button to earn cash or coins. And in the lucky spin, you can do the spin for 4 times. After that you can watch the video and continue the spin and the lucky spin 3 times. And because I used it before, I have to watch an advertisement, a video, and after that I can have extra spin. It shows me an advertisement here. You can see the blue line here, and the time is finished. After watching this ads, you can have another spin. We wait for that, let it finish completely, and now you can have another spin. As you can see, this is my new chance. Okay, I confirm my reward, and after that you can go back. You have another quick way to get coin. For example, at the refill button you can have $1 as a reward, or you can have 5,000 club coins, and you should reach this minimum, and after that you can receive your reward. Another way to earn coins is ClipClaps. You click on ClipClaps, and here show you a survey. You should start this survey and complete the question that it has, and it will show you a survey that is suitable with your answers. For example, here you should have I agree, accept it, and then continue the questions, and after that you can do this survey. The other way that it has to make gold online is Bounty Task. It shows you that it has so many offers, and after completing the requirements you can have your rewards. And as you can see here as an example, if you continue this game, Club Vegas slots, or from Candy Crush, you can have at level 25 you can have so many club coins. And here is the list of another game that you can complete it and earn these club coins as you prefer. The other way, in the game center you can find another items. for example, by completing this task, playing game, watch advertisement, and play the Fire the Gun 2 for 6 minutes, you can have 200 coins. As you can see, there are other games here that you can choose and play them and get these offers and coins. For example, here let me choose one game and show you how you can reach these coins. When you click on a game, it shows you an advertisement here, and you should wait for that. After finishing the advertisement, it goes on the game and you can start the game and earn the coins. The other way is a daily task that you can do this task and receive the rewards. The first one, for example, after 24 hours you can receive the reward as a sign-up rewards, or you can watch the video for 1 minute and take 500 coin. Play the game, or by inviting code you can have these too. On the coin button, click it and it's your wallet, and you can see how much coin did you earn. And here you can have opportunity to make your, for example, 300 clap coins to 3000 clap coins, and it's a good financial opportunity that you can use it. At the cash button, you can see that how you can exchange your balance to, for example, PayPal. You can see the minimum needs of this, and in the other part at the gift card you can change your balance to, for example, iTunes gift card, Google Play gift card, Amazon gift card, PlayStation gift card, as you prefer. And you can see the price. For example, you need $24 or $57 to buy this gift card. It's really easy to achieve, but the important things that I have to mention on that is it's really important to cash out when you reach the minimum of these payments, and don't let it to be a really rich or huge price, because as my experience, you can have and reach the minimum number more easily and so fast. This was my video, and I hope that it would be useful for you. If you had any question, please feel free to leave a comment for me, and I will answer them as I can. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification button to notify about my new videos. And if you like it, share it with your friends and hit the like button. And see you in my next video. Goodbye.